Hi, I am Muhammad, an Excel expert. In this short video, I'll walk you through our financial forecasting model that I have created for a client who runs a large vehicle show. So, here now, the client has a very large data file in which all of his product, sales, and analysis data are cluttered up and not looking really well. So, first of all, I cleaned up his file and created a raw analysis file for creating multiple sheets out of it. Here you can see this is a file that I created for creating large analysis tables out of it and dashboard as well. So after creating this analysis sheet, I moved towards creating the file forecasting files for him. So I have util for creating these, I utilized formulas and interconnect the files between them where needed as well. Here you can see that like this. I have followed a simple and clear and professional structure across all the sheets. I utilize the client main color scheme, brand's color scheme of light pink and light blue across all the sheets. The biggest challenge in creating this is that create so much separate financial sheets out of the main sheet. The main sheet is fully bunched up with a lot of data. So for separating these and creating all of these in clean version, choose a method of creating a raw analysis sheet as I showed you up earlier. After finishing up with all of these sheets, I also created a dashboard for the client where he can see all of these main metrics in a very simple, cleaner, and more professional way. The client is very happy with the results and now he has a complete overview of 10 years of his business and can use this as a presentation in pitch decks. After this, I also created a simple financial module for him where you can see I'll include the revenue schedules and the income statements as well. So he does not need any other files for this as well. This is a complete all-in workbook for the next 10 years for his business and he is very happy with this. Thank you for watching. If you would like me to create similar financial forecasting model or analyze data tables or you can see just like this dashboards, I would love to help.